Ever wondered what groundbreaking advancements await us in the next evolution of camera technology? Today, we're diving into an exciting, forward-looking guide on effectively using the highly anticipated Canon EOS R5 Mark II, based on expected features and performance improvements. While specific details remain under wraps, we can strategize for potential upgrades in areas like improved sensor technology, leading to even greater dynamic range and low-light capabilities. Imagine cleaner images in challenging light, allowing you to push ISO further without compromising image quality, fundamentally changing how you approach dimly lit environments. Expect a considerable leap in processing power, translating to even faster continuous shooting speeds and robust 8K video capabilities with superior codec options. This enhanced processing will also empower more intelligent autofocus systems, with better subject detection and tracking, making it easier to capture fast-moving subjects with precision. Addressing common user feedback, the R5 Mark II is likely to feature improved thermal management, allowing for extended video recording and burst shooting without overheating concerns. We can also anticipate advancements in battery efficiency, extending shooting times and reducing the need for frequent battery swaps, crucial for long shoots. Finally, faster wireless connectivity and seamless cloud integration will streamline your workflow, enabling quicker file transfers and remote control options like never before. By understanding these potential advancements, you can effectively prepare for the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve in the world of photography.